So friends, I was watching this movie a few weeks back again. It's called The Revolver, and it had a saying that you only delay the inevitable to the advantage of your opponent. And I've always held this quote close to my heart since the first time I heard it, I think 12 to 13 years back, or even more. And sometimes the enemy you're trying to fight is not outside, it is within. It is the enemy of limiting conditioning, the enemy of lack, the enemy of fear, which creates an egoic version which is living in scarcity, which is its own enemy, which is the enemy of abundance, the possibility of which lies within you. So, when we come to see of it in the modern world, this digital world, where people are mostly bipolar regarding their indulgences with the digital world, they are either lost in it or they are running away from it. I believe that till the time you don't address it properly, this little concept of digital hygiene, the dance between being an unaware consumer and then an unaware influencer to being a conscious consumer and an inspiration, then you will only suffer sooner or later. You will be window shopping without even knowing that you're window shopping and getting convinced that you need things that you actually don't need. You need relationships, travels, or ornaments, courses that you don't need. You will be convinced because the salesman of algorithm is better than the salesman inside shops where you go window shop and still end up buying things that when you come back home you think, why did we buy this? We didn't need it. So remember this, and I will give you a small transition or transformational acronym that you can apply in your life. First of all, observe it about yourself and then apply in your life. See, all of those people who lasted beyond the dog's bark will get the real juice of this video. So it's about slow cooking, patience. That's what life's about. And if you can just observe and transform from a PPI mindset to a EEI mindset. So the PPI mindset is performance, projection, influence, made famous by all your famous influencers who are unconscious. And EEI stands for embodiment, elevation, and inspiration. So for the first category, people are performing, not living life. They are not even aware that they are living life. They are just performing based upon ideals that have been fixed into their identity, which are from generations of misperception, misconditioning, limiting beliefs. And then they are projecting a sense of coolness, calmness, projecting being rich, being wealthy, being wise, and then influencing others to do the same. So creating a loop of fake behavior. And the other, the EEI, are actually embodying. They're embodying from all the lessons of all the culture and religion and parents and everything. They're embodying those lessons and finding out for themselves what works for them out of awareness. After embodiment comes elevation. Once you are embodied, you will find meaning and you will elevate to do justice to your purpose. And after elevation, you will naturally overflow and inspire. And that's a loop of authenticity and positivity. So choose well. PPI is what is more easier to choose because it requires less of discipline, less of your inner life force being used. You can be unconscious. But EEI, it will take your soul's effort, but definitely worth it. Make the best day ever.